Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to crimp electrical connector. But first, I'm going to show you what is the name of these connectors. Here's the first one. The name of this is bullet electrical connector. The next one is fork. Next one is ring electrical connector. The next one is spade. Now, let's get started. Let's try this one. Okay. Too much. I will cut a little bit. Let's try that. I got this crimper tool at Harbor Freight. The good thing about this crimper is you have a big leverage. Before I have this crimper, but the thing is, if you are going to crimp a big terminal, so it's gonna be a little bit harder. That's why I will use this crimper. So this is an all-purpose crimper. Let's do that one and crimp. See? It's very sturdy. And we're gonna use this one here in a relay, for example. It's very good for connection. The next one, let's try this round, the ring type. We're gonna use this big electrical conductor. That's why when you are going to use this, it's very hard to crimp. There is a tendency that, you know, there is a lost contact. That's why I will not use it. So I'll use this crimper, longer crimper, so that you have enough leverage. After that, we're going to put it here. It's very sturdy, right? Next is we're going to use this spade. The spade is a male and female. First, we need to look the sizes. So it's gonna be a little bit bigger. So I will try to use this one. Yeah, pretty good. Got the other end. Make another connection. Usually we use this in automotive, this one in cars. The next one is the butt splice. Yeah, it's pretty good. Assuming that we're going to use this another wire. Okay. That's it, guys. If you like this video, please subscribe. If you have comments, just drop down below. Have a good one.